If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at the certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Compass High Altitude in Jazz Blue Pearl. With BI-XENON HID headlamps with LED signature, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, 19-inch satin granite aluminum wheels, gloss black compass badging, black daylight opening moldings, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 7-inch color cluster with driver information display, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, Park View rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, Bluetooth streaming audio, rear 60/40 folding seats, second row remote USB port, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional information and details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5450.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.